Asheli from Naughty True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Culture Carton. If you're not familiar with this, I just drank water and I feel like it's dripping down my chin. Awkward. Culture Carton is a monthly men's subscription box. Every package, and that's the standard package, comes with a book and an assortment of lifestyle items. Those boxes are $45. I do have a coupon code for you to get 20% off your first box. I'll put that down below. But additionally, you can get just the book for $16 or just the lifestyle items for $35. They do not have a coupon code, so don't try to use that. Don't do it. All right, anyway, I love this box. Like, I know that it's for men. I don't care. They send the best books. I had tape on my finger. Maybe something felt wrong. You know, sometimes something just doesn't feel right. And it's not the universe telling you. It's tape on your finger. Anyway, all right. So, the best books in this box, also, like, they send really cool socks and really cool electronic items and really cool leather items. My favorite, most favorite bookmark came in this box. FYI. All right, so anyway, we're going to bust this baby out. Here is our insert on the back here. They're going to tell us everything that's in the box, along with the retail values. This box is $45. The value is usually $100+. So I'm going to look really quick. This one has $92 value. So that still is double the price of the box. Amazing deal. We'll go over that all at the end. I had to do that. Anyway. First, I have a beanie. Yay! Oh my gosh, I actually got, so this is a funny little anecdote. Is it an anecdote? I don't know. Anyway, whatever. I'm tired. All right, so I got one of my favorite beanies of all time. In this box, it was a maroon. How often do you see a maroon beanie? It was so cool. It fit perfectly. It had the best kind of slouch. It was from a company called 10 Fed. I lost it. I haven't seen it all winter. So I have a new beanie. This is, I don't know the company. It's just a label with some sort of, it looks like a pheasant on it. It is a black beanie. And I like it. Does it look good? I can't see. Oh, I hope it looks cool. But it's super stretchy, which I like. Anyway, so we'll look at who that makes this and how much it's worth at the end. Ooh, I'm excited. Yay. All right. Already scoring. That's what she said. All right. So this is from Ben K. I don't know how to pronounce this. They sent a duffel bag, a blue duffel bag. I actually use it for my son for karate. A couple months ago, along with a training rope, a jump rope. So I'm guessing this is some sort of a sport item, if I can figure out how to open it. Oh yeah, there it is. What? Am I dumb? Say it good. I don't know how to do this. Oh no, what's going on here? What is happening? What is this? I don't know. I can't open it, guys. I think oh wait, there we go. I did it. Only took me forever. All right, this is a manicure set. Ooh, this is actually really cool inside. So you have the scissors, 2 nail clippers, tweezers, an emery board, a cuticle thing, and then this thing, which looks like those little, you could buy them sometimes at like World Mart, H Mart places. A Q-tipper, you go inside your ear with it. I have not ever actually used one because they kind of make me nervous. But anyway, there's that. That's actually really cool. I like that a lot. Once you figure out how to open it, of course. All right, there's an item in here. Oh, it's a mug! So this is from Exploria Supply Company. I actually had a camp mug exactly like this, except it had some like girly saying on it. It was sent to me. And I gave it to a girlfriend because she liked it. So anyway, I have one now. I love how big these are. I also have an orange one like this. One of my favorite mugs ever. I only have about 400 mugs. So anyway, hoarding. So this is from Exploria Supply Company. I've never heard of that brand. That's a new to me brand. All right, moving on to our book, our last item. So this is a New York Times bestseller, A Gentleman in Moscow by Amor Towles, author of Rules of Civility, another book I haven't read. Never heard of it. All right, so I'm going to read the little synopsis here, and then we'll go over that insert. All right. He can't leave, you won't want to. When, in 1922, 30-year-old Count Alexander Rostov is deemed an unrepentant aristocrat by Bolshevik Bolshevik tribunal, he is sentenced to house arrest in the Metropole, a grand hotel near the Kremlin. An indomitable man of erudition, what a good word, and wit, Rostov must now live in an attic room as some of the most tumultuous decades in Russian history unfold. Unexpectedly, the Count's reduced circumstances provide him entry into a world of emotional discovery as he forges friendships with the hotel's denizens. But when fate puts the life of a young girl in his hands, he must draw on all his ingenuity to protect the future she deserves. Hailed for its humor, intrigue, and beautifully rendered scenes, a singular novel casts a spell as it relates to the Count's endeavor to become a man of purpose. That actually sounds really good. I like the human interaction little bit there. Tells you what's going to happen. I like that kind of stuff. So anyway, I'm excited to read this. It is a long book, but that's okay. All right, let's get into the insert. All right, so this month's items follow the theme of making tasteful improvements to your daily life. First, a stylish wool blend beanie from Lucky Pheasant. Lucky Pheasant. See, it was a pheasant. Good artistry there. That's what I should say. I'm not congratulating myself. I'm congratulating them. This beanie is the union of form and function. It keeps your head warm while simultaneously looking great. Next to ceramic outdoor mug by Exploria, this is the perfect vessel for your daily cup of coffee at the home office or for hot cocoa near a blazing fire. Of course, blazing fire. Finally, a refined travel manicure set by Ben K is the perfect size to keep with you at all times. Never let a hangnail get you down again. I wasn't letting hangnails get me down before, FYI. Together, these items will add subtle improvements to your day-to-day life. Our book this month is A Gentleman in Moscow by Immortals. This is a fascinating dive into an old Russian noble secluded in a hotel in the middle of the Russian Revolution. It has been regarded as one of the best books of the past 5 years. This book will make a great addition to your bookshelf. All right, the book, $17. The Lucky Pheasant beanie, $30. The travel manicure set, $25. And the mug, $20. Total value, $92. Amazing box. Love it. I think I love the beanie the most, to be honest. But anyway, as I said, it's for men, but as you can see, everything in here could be applicable to a woman if you're as cool as I am. Anyway. Inappropriate. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.